Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Netxinvestor account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in Netxinvestor login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll get to this page. On this page, click on where it says login. And if you are not enrolled yet, you can register for a new account by clicking on this link. Now once you click on login, you'll see this pop-up. On this pop-up, you'll have to provide your login credentials. So first of all, enter first 3 characters of your account. And after that, you can enter your user ID. And then lastly, enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. And if you want to save your user ID on this device, you can click on this check mark. And this is not recommended to click if you're using a public or shared device. And once again, if you don't have any user ID, you can register for a new account by clicking on this button. And in case if you don't remember your user ID, you can click on this link. And if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link. Now once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.